Today we've got some sad news to share. We're also going to go through some exciting new information from Princess on the Sun Princess, as well as what they do on their ships during the holidays. I've got updates for you from Carnival as well, and lots of other things to talk about. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today is Tuesday. It is November 28th of 2023. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, would you please go ahead and hit that subscribe button? Would love to have you with us. I believe we need to have you with us, and I'll look forward to seeing you here every day or whatever day you can come. Also, if you appreciate our updates, would you please give this video a thumbs up? Actually, that really does help us. It makes it so that YouTube, when they see more thumbs up, then they will share the video and offer it to more people. So thank you very, very much as well on that. I wanted to let you know that our daughter and her husband have started their own YouTube channel. If you have been here with me for a year now, you might remember that for 2 weeks last year at the beginning of December, we went and babysat their two little girls while they went to Europe to go to the Christmas markets. They went for 2 weeks. They went to Austria and Germany. And I'm trying to remember if they went anywhere else. Those, I think, were the main places that they went, but they went to lots of different Christmas markets. So they have just started a YouTube channel to share that footage. And so I thought it would get you in the spirit. I'm trying to finish up nailing down the details on my river cruise, a group river cruise for 2025 there in Europe. And so anyway, if you would like to go watch, their channel is called Majestimundo. I don't know why we had to make this hard to spell. It's a cool name though, but it's Majestimundo, like Majestic World. And so go, if you would like to see any of that, subscribe, give their video a thumbs up as they're trying to do their best to get this going. So thank you very much. Alrighty, let's start at the top. I said I've got sad news. I have sad news. The reason that I'm sharing it is I sometimes think that we forget how easy it is for things to change really quickly. So I have just seen, and there's breaking news that a young 16-year-old young man fell off of a balcony onto the deck below and passed away on Allure of the Seas. Apparently this happened on Saturday. And Royal Caribbean says that out of respect for the family, they're not going to release more information. So I feel like we need to add our prayers to their families' prayers, pray for their family, send good thoughts, good vibes, however it is that you do that, and keep them in mind, especially it's, I think, even harder to lose someone at this special holiday time of year. Now, along with that is a reminder, I always tell you that it's like you can't fall off of a ship without trying. You can't fall off of a balcony unless you're doing things that would make you get up on top of that balcony. And I'm not getting after this young man at all. Absolutely not. I think it's just a reminder in my head for me that one day when I get to cruise with my grandchildren, because we were not able to cruise with our children, but when our grandchildren, when I'm able to go, I'm going to watch them even more closely so that nobody climbs like on a little table out there by the balcony and then could get up on the balcony and fall off. And so for what it's worth, I just took it as a really good reminder to me to be even more diligent and to keep my eye out. So once again, our thoughts and prayers are with that family. The next thing, let's talk about several things to talk about with Princess today. I don't know how many of you have been trying to book excursions with Princess. I told you yesterday that no matter what I did, I could not get an excursion booked, and the same thing is going on today. So I called Princess and they said they are updating their webpage to do with excursions, and it seems like they know that nobody can book an excursion. So I am waiting patiently. I need to book some excursions for Gordon and I and for some other people. So, and I can't do it even going in through Princess's booking system. That travel agents use. It just comes up with technical difficulties, or if I get far enough using like an incognito browser, if I can get in far enough, it still won't let you add it to the cart. So I feel like I just wanted to let you all know that if you are experiencing these problems, I hope they get it ironed out fast, because I know that a lot of people are going on cruises. They want to get their excursions nailed down, and put in the comments if you're able to book an excursion Excursion, how you did it. Let's kind of keep each other up to date when they finish updating their website to the point that we can book an excursion. A holiday weekend and into this time of year is a hard time to have a website not working, so we'll be anxious to have it back up again. And if you've got anything else to share about that, please do put it in the comments, send me an email. So thank you. The next thing, okay, this, I keep telling you as more information comes out about the Sun Princess, because I think we're all dying to see that ship, because it's going to be something different than we've seen before, and it looks so beautiful. All of the photos that we've seen, all of the artist renditions, the drawings that they do, it looks like it's going to be a fabulous ship. Well, Princess has announced that the casino on board the Sun Princess is going to be the largest casino that Princess has ever done at sea. And I will tell you clearly, I've been on Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, several other cruise lines, Carnival just recently, Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, Norwegian a couple of times, and then lots on Princess. And the biggest casino that I have been in on a cruise ship was it was hands down on the Celebration just a couple of weeks ago. And so Gordon's putting a little bit of that footage in here so that you can see what it looked like. One thing I really do like is they separate the smoke area and the non-smoking area. I saw the same thing on Celebrity when I was on I remember very clearly on Reflection, the Celebrity Reflection on that ship, they have like sliding glass doors, and people that want to smoke have to go in there, and then people that don't smoke are out. You kind of walk through that as part of a walkway that a lot of people use there on the ship. And same thing with Carnival. It's not like a room set off to the side. You walk through it as it is on a lot of ships. But also on Carnival, they've got a smoking side and a non-smoking side, which I think is wonderful. I will say on Carnival especially, I noticed that when we were sitting in the theater for our meetings, that if I sat on the side that was the casino side, because there on deck 7, the entrance to the theater is right there next to where that door opens and closes, that you would definitely smell the cigarette smoke, which if it doesn't bother you, that's awesome. It gives me a headache. So we sat on the other side of the theater for the rest of the time, and we were okay. But I'm really excited. Anyway, I kind of digressed there. So Princess, largest cruise ship, their largest casino that they have ever done. It's going to be 9,000 square feet, they say. They're on deck 8, just off to the side of the piazza is what it looks like. They are going to have 50% more space and 30% more, if you can believe it or not, machines compared to the ships, the Royal Class ships, what they've already got. And so I thought this was interesting. They're going to have over 200 of the newest and most popular slot machines, video poker games. They're going to have live table games with progressive jackpots and more. They are also going to have a Buffalo Zone, which will bring, apparently there is a company called Aristocrat, and they have this popular Buffalo theme to their games and everything, and so they're going to have a whole section of the slot machines that have those buffaloes. I have seen that before when I've walked through. And they are the very first cruise ship that says that is going to have the Buffalo Zone on the cruise ship, so that'll be something to see. John Paget said that casino lovers, high rollers, and simply those wanting to try a hand during their vacation will be stunned by the new Princess Casino on board the Sun Princess. Princess has embraced the casino experience and is proud to offer such exciting gaming surrounded by absolutely world-class dining and entertainment. So there you go. If you enjoy the casino, I think you're going to really like the one on the Sun Princess. If you've been with me here for a while, you know I don't play games in the casino, but I love to watch. I don't know what that says about me, but I think it's very interesting. I like to walk through. I like all the pretty lights, and just it's interesting to me. So there you go. So we'll look forward to seeing that, and I will walk through and I'll video for you when we're on the Sun Princess in February. Now, another announcement by Princess. This was a couple of days ago, and we've just had so many other things to be discussing. So I wanted to let you know, Princess has released information, which I find really helpful, about the different things that they are going to be offering during the holidays. They have some special cocktails that they have specifically had designed, come up with for people to enjoy while they are on board the ship. They do special decor, and they do a lot of special activities for all of the passengers on board. board, especially, from Thanksgiving through the New Year's. So I thought I would share some of it with you. So first of all, they are going to, like I said, they've got some new cocktails. They've got them called the Autumn Elixir, so I think that was a little bit more for Thanksgiving. And by the way, they say these are supposed to be available on all of the ships in the fleet. They've also got Charm with Pecan, Pumpkin Spice Martini, and the Jingle. And then they also have made, it's called I Love This. That's Princess's kind of new motto, maybe. It used to be the Love Boat, now it's I Love This, and that's like sometimes you'll see the crew members saying I love this. Their shirts will say that. But anyway, they've got a martini. It's called I Love This Martini, and it is a specially crafted martini. So if you enjoy a martini, you'll want to see about that when you're on the ship. They've got a fun new partnership that they talk about with the Macklow Whiskey Company out of Kentucky. And then they also are going to have very special menus in the main dining room to celebrate the holiday season. And of course, they started off talking about they had a 5-course Thanksgiving dinner, which I've heard from some of our Let's Go family members that you thoroughly enjoyed that. And then as you get closer to the holidays, they're going to have, it says, fun and meaningful foods for Hanukkah, delectable Christmas dishes from the traditions around the world, as well as a special New Year's gala menu. Now, the fun thing, I also think, and I did not realize this until a couple of years ago when we started doing YouTube, all of the things that they do on board, and it makes it extra special, I believe, even for children. I think it's special for everyone, but Christmas seems extra special for children. And so they have a holiday wishes variety show. They've got Hanukkah services. They've got an ugly holiday sweater competition. So if you enjoy that and you're going on a holiday cruise, bring your sweater. They have lighting of the lights ceremony to turn on tree lights and start the snow falling. They give out hot chocolate and mulled cider and eggnog. They've got a family gingerbread house making competition. They've got holiday family movie nights, and they run Christmas movies during those. They've got holiday caroling in the piazza, Santa's arrival and gift giving, pajamas, breakfast with Stanley, and 'Twas the Night Before Christmas reading on Christmas Eve. And they have interdenominational church services, which I think is really nice that they go out of their way to do that. And then if you're on board, they're going to have a special New Year's Eve party in the piazza. They're going to have, like I said, a gala dinner. So if you are going to be on one of the princess ships during these times, I think you're going to have a marvelous time. And in their the news release about this, they did say some of the ships that they still have some space on. So there's just a few of them left. And if you of course, you can go online and look or ask your travel agent to help you if you've decided last minute that you would like to go. But they've got December 1, the 15-day sailing from a 15-day Southeast Asia and Japan sailing. They've got December 4th, a 15-day Hawaiian cruise. Then December 10th, they've got a couple of Caribbean cruises departing. The 17th, they've got a 10-day Caribbean cruise. They've got December 20th for the Panama Canal. December 22nd will take you over Christmas and New Year's to go to Hawaii. And then finally on December 23rd, they're pointing out they've got space on a 7-day Caribbean cruise. So think of what you want to do and see if you can put it on your calendar. That is definitely on my list. It's just going to have to be sometime when we can take more of our family with us, because I can't miss being at home right now with our family. Now here's a segue. Let's segue talking about Christmas on Princess. And I will add that when, like last year, I got to go on the Celebrity Reflection, as I said earlier. They had beautiful, beautiful Christmas decorations up. And Princess, I have not been on a Princess cruise in December, but I am sure that the decorations are over the top there as well. They were truly over the top and so beautiful on Celebrity. Now, so Carnival, I am sure they have beautiful direct decorations as well. But you may have heard they've got PajamaGate going on. So apparently there is a Facebook group that has been talking about taking over the main dining room so that people can wear, a whole bunch of people are going to wear their pajamas to breakfast on Christmas morning on board. I can't remember which ship. I apologize. We'll put it in the comments here. But anyway, they want to do that. So it has opened this whole discussion about whether or not people should be wearing their pajamas to the main dining room. John Hill, the brand ambassador there for Carnival Cruise Line, actually put out a questionnaire, and he said, would you wear pajamas to breakfast on Christmas Day in the dining room? And apparently like 12,000 people voted, and the most popular response was 68% of the vote said no, but I don't mind if other people doing it. If other people want to do it, that's okay with me. So I have not heard if there is a resolution to this. Can't find that online anywhere. If they're going to just open it, wide open and let people that want to come and eat in the main dining room in their pajamas for Christmas morning breakfast, if they're going to go ahead and allow that. So my question to you is, would you wear your pajamas to Christmas breakfast? And the thing that always pops into my head with this is like, who decides what's appropriate and what's not appropriate? I know that a lot of places sell Christmas pajamas. People like to match their whole family, like in Christmas pajamas out of that like flannel or fleece or thermal fabrics is what I notice an awful lot of Christmas pajamas being made out of. So that's what I think of when I think of wearing your pajamas to breakfast, but I don't know if everybody thinks of that. So let me know in the comments below if you would wear your pajamas, and if you could, and if you would wear your pajamas, like what kind of pajamas would you take? Would you do the flannel? Would you have everybody in your family matching? Would you have everybody have, a Christmas set, but a little bit different? I just think it would be kind of fun to talk about. I am grandma in my family, and so I'm trying to find really cute pajamas. I have found a few for little grandchildren, but that's kind of my department, and I really thoroughly enjoy doing it, but we're not going to be on a cruise ship. So just wanted to share all of this with you. I really appreciate you all being here with me. I look forward to talking to you every day, and I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.